Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you something interesting in MS Word. Remember this video I have uploaded in 2013 or 14 something, and probably I was the one to begin with, right? So first one to come up with a VBA code to convert a currency into text, right? So this was uploaded back in 9 years back, right? So now fast forward, Microsoft has come up with a built-in function in MS Word. Remember this one Excel, but now Microsoft, of course, I had a video even in MS Word using VBA code how to convert the numbers into text. You can check my channel. This is my channel, right? Okay, so back to today's topic. Um, Without any coding, you can convert number to text. Microsoft has now come up with a built-in function. Basically, a built-in feature. It's not a function. Built-in feature. Using that, you can convert any number into text, right? And let me show you how to do that. So this is a number, and I want to convert this into text. Go to select this. Go to insert and say field. Okay. Okay. So there is a way to there is a shortcut to change this to a field. Okay, in Mac you have to press function command and then F9, right? So this is now converted into a field. Right now, to get the text for this value, I have to do something like this: is equal to, and then slash star card text, CARDTEXT, right? And then don't enter, select this. See, now you have a couple of more options now available. So you, okay, as soon as you convert this into a field, this will appear. Now say update field, right? So 12,300. So text now, the number now converted into text. Okay, this doesn't look good, so let me modify. Okay, the casing, uppercase lowercase is not proper. Let me say first cap. Okay, I think these are the options. First caps, I don't remember the exact value. Okay, let me say update. Okay, only the first value came to the right. So if you Google it, you will get to know what are the toggle codes. First caps, let me see this. Unknown, that's not a correct value. So all caps, let me say. Again, this is unknown. So let me go with first cap. Okay, let me try other options. I think it should be something like upper. Right, yeah, this is one of the option. And then, as you guessed, we have something like all lower. Okay, so this is a way to convert a number into text, but this is not useful, right? So let me show you something interesting, right? So as sample here, I have a payslip for a XYZ company, and here you want the value. So here the difference is you have a number. This number should be converted into text and printed here, not just the same number. In an earlier case, I did, right? I did the same number in the same place. I changed that to text. Now I will change this value, but the output should be appearing at some other location, right? If you have got a payslip, you might remember, right? This is how it looks, and mostly at the bottom of the payslip you can see value in text, right? So this is how I did. Okay, let me show you how I did this, right? Let me take out this. So basically whatever appears here should appear here, I mean in the form of text. So for that there is a trick, not trick, so there's additional steps you need to do. First thing, select this, go to insert, select bookmark. I have already written something here. You just say BM1, bookmark 1, and then keep it as a name, say add. Now here, place the cursor here, go to insert, field, okay, select formula. So type your formula here. So first thing first, keep the bookmark value, the name which you gave in the previous step, BM1, and then slash, the same formula which I explained in the previous document, star card text, and then star, let me go with upper, right? So okay, because probably don't have the BM1, bookmark 1. Let me go and check bookmarks. BM1, probably it is conflicting, right? Let me try with net, because I created net, just net. Okay, probably because I had already a bookmark created, that's why it didn't work. But anyway, so okay, I'll show you where the bookmark is pointing to. Select this. If you, okay, let me place the cursor somewhere here, bookmarks, click on it and go to, right? So this is what it's selected. That means the bookmark net is pointing to this value. Now let me change this value. Okay, 9200, right? It won't change automatically, you have to update 9200, right? So okay, so that's it for today, and the next video I will explain how to automatically update this. As soon as you change this, this should get changed, right? Because that's kind of handy. So I will explain. That should be a simple VB code. I will come up with that code and explain how to do that. It should be very simple, right? So thanks for watching. Keep looking for more videos on my channel. Thank you.